I say, old boy, beastly weather for a picnic.
You're right, chum. Pass me the toast.
Let's make a wish. I wish it would stop raining forever. It's never gonna rain again. It's never gonna rain again. It's never gonna rain again. It won't rain again. It won't rain again.
And so we enter our 6th week without rain. The temperature is rising day after day. The city is melting with the heat. There is no relief in sight as the broiling sun beats down upon the people's heads. Even in our great harbors, the dry spell is being felt. Shipping has come to a standstill. The water level in the reservoirs is getting lower and lower. People everywhere are trying to save every drop. Some people are still unaware of the water shortage.
I say, did I cause all that?
Yes. And what are you going to do about it?